সম্মানিত উপস্থিতিবৃন্দু, এ পর্যায়ে আপনাদের সম্মুখে নিজ ফিতা সম্পর্কে সম্পূর্ণ ইংরেজি ভাষায় বক্তব্য দিবেন অত্র মাদ্রাসা পঞ্চম জামাতের ছাত্র মোহাম্মদ তামিম হোসেন।
Alhamdulillah. My dear friends, I read in Darus Salam Islamiya Madrasa. My name is Tamim Hossain. My father's name is Abdul Hossain. I love my father very much. My father likes me very much. He bought chocolate and other things too. He bought nicely dress for me. He also bought foods for me. He bears the cost of his studies. My father managed to teach the Quran and Hadith. For this, I love my father very much. My father likes me very much. I also respected my father. Our Prophet ﷺ said that the heaven of the children is on the feet of friends. We have to pray to Allah for our friends. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. No more today. Thank you so much everybody. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.